दाबोळी विमानतळ बंद जावचो ना, दाबोळी विमानतळार आनीकूय बऱ्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध करतले अशें दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनान सांगलें. आतां चड अंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानां दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर येतात. तशेंच ज्येश्ठ नागरिकांक आराम मेळचो हे खातीर दाबोळी विमानतळार बऱ्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध करतले अशें विमानतळ सल्लागार समितीच्या बसके वेळार सार्दीन उलयलो.
They asked for कितें increase करपाक, like canteen आहा तें वो कितें एम वस्तू विकताय त्यो, both for international and domestic tourists. They are increasing. Another 160 square meters have been given for domestic and 200 square meters have been given for international. So more better arrangement and extra arrangement will be made. Some people suggested, because sometimes the flights are delayed, Zantelang मातशें relax जावपाक, they wanted like armchairs or like for sleeping, so that also arrangement will be made. And other things, whatever normal things. My message to the people is, some people spread the news that this will be closed, something will happen. Up to now, it is functioning better than what is to function, one point. Second thing, nobody has to even think that anything will happen to this airport. We have seen how the airport has improved for the last few years, and it is to remain. 2 more aero bridges are being laid, so nobody may think that this will be closed. There are a lot of other flights. International flights are there. Then there is now so much of thing that is getting exported. That will be done through. But this will remain forever.
No, I guess